Hive Architecture. There are four main components as part of the Hive architecture. Hadoop core components such as HDFS and MapReduce, along with Metastore, drivers, and Hive clients. The Hadoop core components include HDFS. When data is loaded into a Hive table, Hive internally stores the data in an HDFS path, which is the default Hive warehouse directory. MapReduce. When a query is run, a corresponding MapReduce job is executed by converting or compiling the query into a Java class file. We then build a jar file and then execute this jar file. 2. A Metastore. The Metastore is a namespace for tables. It stores all of the metadata information related to the Hive, such as details related to the table, columns, partitions, and location on storage. 3. Drivers. Queries of the user after the interface are received by the driver are within the Hive. A concept of session handles is implemented by the driver. Execution and fetching of APIs modeled on JDBC/ODBC interfaces is provided by the user. And 4. Hive clients. This is the interface through which Hive queries are submitted. Hive CLI and Beeline are some of the terminal interfaces, and web interfaces also include Hue and Ambari. Job execution flow in Hive. Let's list the steps involved in executing a query on Hive. First, Hive receives a SQL query and then performs the following steps to get the result. First, it parses the Hive SQL. It then makes performance optimizations and then plans the execution of the SQL query. It then takes this and submits the job to the Hadoop cluster. It then monitors the progress and then processes the data. The job is sent to the data processing engine, where it is either converted to MapReduce or processed by Spark. And finally, the data is stored in HDFS.